Hello everyone, start off by taking a decorative clip with multiple levels, then tie a low ponytail in the hair and then clip the clip at the back. Now twist each of the sections of the ponytail, make 3 of them and insert them into each of the levels of the clip. Add a rubber band at the end of it and then push it downwards using a multiple prong clip. Next, take this decorative clip and afterwards tie a ponytail with the hair, make a small bump at the bottom by adding another rubber band to the base of the hair after folding it. Now roll up the hair at the bottom and then make it into a bun. Next, we'll start off by taking this hair twine with a decorative end to it. Now, wrap a ponytail around this hair twine and once you reach the bottom, add a rubber band to it. Twist it up into a bun and then add the decorative piece onto the side. Next, tie a ponytail with the hair, lift it upwards and then add a rubber band to the base. Now, twist the hair at the bottom, make it into a bun, add a decorative clip to it at the bottom. Next, we'll start off by taking these butterfly clips. Start off by tying a low ponytail, add a rubber band to the middle section of the low ponytail, and then roll it upwards, add your decorative butterfly clip on top of this. Next, we will start off by taking a 4-pronged clip as such. It can also be a 5-prong clip. After this, insert it from bottom upwards and then push it downwards as such so that the decorative portion is at the top. Use bobby pins to fasten the top in place. Next, take the middle section of the hair, twist it, lift it up, and then insert this multi-level clip to the center. After this, take a section of the center, twist it, insert it in the center level of the clip. After this, take a section from the left, twist it, and then insert it in the right side and vice versa. Make a bun out of the top. Take one of these retractable clips, tie a ponytail out of the hair. After this, twist the ponytail and then roll it up into a bun. After you make a bun out of it, add the retractable clip onto it to make it decorative. Next, we'll start off by taking these kind of clips. They are two-pronged in nature. Now, tie a ponytail out of the hair, lift it up, and then add the clip to the base of the ponytail. As for the top, add a rubber band to the end of it, fold it over, then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place after folding it over. Now, take this twisted kind of clip and then afterwards tie a ponytail with the hair, wrap the hair around the arm of this clip, make it into a bun, and then twist it in place in order to fasten it. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, then add this multi-level clip to the back of the hair. After this, take a section from the middle, twist it, insert it into the middle section of the clip. Take a section from the right, insert it into the left section of the clip, and do the same with the other side. As for the top, make a bun out of it. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side and then tie it up at the back as such. Then add a low ponytail to the hair and another rubber band to the middle of this low ponytail. Lift this low ponytail up and then add a decorative clip to it. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, bend it and then add a rubber band to it. Add a rubber band to the middle section, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the bun and then add your butterfly clip on the top of this accordingly. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Roll the hair in on itself as such and then tighten it. Cover up the gaps that are created, divide the hair into 2 portions, make 2 braids out of it. Pin up the left side section braid on the left side and the right side section braid on the right side accordingly. Add clips on top of it. Next, take these kind of clips to begin with and then twist the hair around your finger as such. Roll it up and then add a decorative clip to fasten it in its place. Thank you for watching.